Emerson College Los Angeles is an award-winning residential academic internship program that welcomes approximately 200 Emersonians each semester. Each fall and spring term, the program offers qualified seniors across majors a full semester of coursework, internships, mentorship opportunities, professional development programming, and access to Emerson's expansive Los Angeles alumni network.
The internship opportunity is very beneficial for students at Emerson LA. This is where they get to work in Hollywood, where all of the action takes place, and they get a chance to build connections with their peers, other faculty members, and many professional development opportunities we have.
LA is a huge town, it's a huge city. There are opportunities in just about every field you can imagine, especially the media and entertainment industry is centered here. There are opportunities in production, post-production, development, both film, TV, digital, short-form content. There are marketing opportunities, public relations opportunities, journalism, any kind of communications. Really, any field that you're looking for is here in Los Angeles.
Students intern at over 160 different sites across industries.
I interned at Reed Road Pictures at the Paramount lot right up the road from Emerson, and I was a research and development intern, and it was a lot of fun. It was something way out of my comfort zone and something that I wanted to learn all about, what the process was like in pre-production for getting a film greenlit and getting a film approved for the studio.
At Emerson Los Angeles, I interned at Telsey & Company, which they do scripted casting in Los Angeles for television and some film. And it helped guide me and find my passion for casting, which is where I am at now.
Emerson LA faculty are both academics in their disciplines and professionals working in the industry. Faculty are currently working as producers, directors, screenwriters, actors, journalists, marketing and public relations executives, and more.
I think the classes at Emerson LA are unique in that all of us, we really do what we teach.
I took Business of Acting with Brad Lamack, and he invited guests every week to explain to us what they do and network with us, and I still keep in contact with some of the guests today.
So you get to learn in a real way. I mean, it is an academic approach, however, it's also very hands-on and very curated to students acting and performing as adults in the industry.
In addition to coursework and internships, students have the opportunity to volunteer at organizations serving a wide range of community needs. These programs and events challenge students to engage with issues facing communities in Los Angeles and beyond. Emersonians who participate in the Los Angeles program spend their term in the heart of Hollywood. Here, students are surrounded by rich and unique learning opportunities that nurture both professional development and intellectual growth.
So when students come to Los Angeles, outside of the internships and the class, there's a whole lot going on. You know, they're all seniors, and so it's a moment to sort of live your life, live in a different city, live with students that you may not have known from Boston, and sort of have a new moment, a new final moment in your senior year.
Emerson LA definitely taught me how to be a better adult, and by that I mean it was the first time that I was really on my own, away from my family, and while there was a plethora of support here on campus, I was left to, figure things out more so on a day-to-day basis for me.
Students coming to LA have an opportunity to think outside the college box. You can begin to see yourself living here. You can begin to see yourself launching your professional career here.
You're in the middle of Hollywood. There are so many amazing opportunities, not only at the Emerson campus, but in the entire city around you. You're 30 minutes from the beach, and you are 10 minutes from hiking the Hollywood sign. It is insane, and I've never had an experience like this literally anywhere else.
We can't wait to see you at Emerson Los Angeles.